Iqbal said, Husn Yusuf to dekhkar, waha kati thi ungliya. Khud chand kat gaya yaha, ungli ko dekhkar. He said, when they saw the beauty of Yusuf, they started cutting their fingers. But the moon was cut in half when it saw the finger of my beloved. Maulana Rumi said, he said, Dar dil man dar nigar, har dam shaqqul qamar. He said, come and look at my heart. And every moment is a splitting of the moon for the Prophet. And every moment and every breath, my heart just bursts in love of the Prophet and it splits in half.
With the love of dunya, our heart becomes polluted. And the love of Rasulullah and connection of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Rasulullah becomes weak. To reconnect ourselves, we need this kind of mahfils, these kind of events. Now while I've been in this event, sitting in the mahfil, listening to the lecture, all the time my heart was filled with the love of Rasulullah and love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this is the blessing of these mahfils.
I found it really engaging and inviting to find Feraidoon coming to the UK for the first time. It's a long overdue program that was needed in the UK, but I feel that it was something that is really timely. We've got many Islamic poets and artists throughout our civilization, but Rumi stands out. It's like a shining light.
I think for me there were two things. One, that we need to, it was a reminder that we need to open our hearts to love a little bit more, because society has made us believe that being open to love is a weakness. But it's a reminder that in Islam, love is a big thing.
A lot of people think Allah doesn't hear you. Oh, I made dua, He never answered. Oh, why is this happening to me? Or why? We just keep asking this question, why? Why is this happening? But we forget, Allah, the way He treats His servant is as though He has only one servant. Every single one of you has a direct relationship and 24/7 is connected to you. How often are we connected to Him?
The other thing that resonated with me was hope, because a lot of the times we do feel like there is no hope, we feel abandoned, we pray to Allah, or the du'as are not necessarily answered. But it was a reminder from Ustadh Feraidoon that Allah is listening and there's reasons why our du'as aren't being answered. So it was really inspiring.
Now the one step. Easy. I swear to God, easiest thing, easiest step. یک قدم بر نفس خود نه، وان دیگر در کوی دوست. هر چی بینی دوست بینی، این آنت کار نیست. Put one foot on your nafs, your other foot is at the divine presence. Immediately. And all you will witness is God. Hafiz said, میان عاشق و معشوق هیچ حائل نیست. Between the lover and beloved, there is no barrier. تو خود حجاب خودی، حافظ از میان برخیز. Oh Hafiz, you are the barrier. Get out of the way. We are the barrier between ourselves and God.
When someone asked a question that how do you reach a state of realization, or how do you reach a state of presence? And Ustadh Feraidoon said it's actually really simple. There's either 100 steps or there's just one step. And what he said was, you just put one step on your nafs and your other foot will be with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And that really stood out to me.
And this is the problem, that we haven't become mahram with God's creation. We haven't become mahram. In the Diwan Shams, Rumi says, Guyat Sulaiman martura bishnaw lisanu tayr ra. Sulaiman is giving you an advice and is telling you, listen to the language of the birds. Listen to what the birds are telling you. Dami wa murghaz turhamat. Raw la nashaw, raw la nashaw. Oh human being, you have become a trap. And this is why all of the birds are running away from you. Go become a nest. Become a nest. And then you would see that all of creation is singing the song of love.
Well, for me, Rumi is such a beautiful topic to speak about at any time for any age group. It's very universal, and I thought being here tonight, it really hits you hard. The beauty of his words that still is so relevant now, and the way the Sheikh put them across it was so simplistic, but with such a deep meaning.